So we are creating a login system using PHP codeigniter and front end and HTML CSS. uh, so this is lecture 3, and uh, so where we quit off in the last lecture, I think we are in the phase of creating CSS. Yeah, here we are in last lecture. So in short, I just give you uh, a little bit glimpse of what we have achieved. So firstly, let's go to my main page. This is our controller and this is our view. So just we have created a view of 4 divs with wrap, content, main and full body. And in CSS you will learn all about the why we created these 4 divs and with IDs and class. So and a form with 2 input field and 2 label field and one div class for footer. So this is, and next we attach the CSS or CSS class. So we have loaded the codeigniter, the libraries, the auto library, URL library. This is the basic. This is this is the URL library, the main URL library to call your controller and view. We have set already in last lecture, and nothing else more. Just controller. Just we have created controller with class login and extends main the parent controller, parent class AI controller, and we have created the index function to call our view. And this is controller and view all about. And here we are in CSS just to create CSS. So the last page, the front end page, what we have created. Go to yes, this is the front end. We have created a username and password to fill with login name, and just keep the background color of to check my linked with controller and view. So here we are. Now let's start a lecture 3, and this is all about will be a CSS, and all layout will pop up what we required. So I'm deleting now. I'm deleting background. So here is the body deleted. Now main margin 0, padding 0. Why I am doing this? Because I do not want any padding, any margin in my front end, because this is the difference between this field and this is the padding and margin. So I'm setting into 0, and I'm control as save, and let's go to your browser and refresh. Okay. Now I'm setting the body properties. Body background. Okay. color, body default color. Percentage B E B E B E. This is the default color. Font family, some sans serif. I think this is not. It is T O O comma Arial. No, I think I should use this one. Okay. Font family and body margin. Zero. Add this. At the moment I am deleting this one. I will set it later. First we check all my product properties. Yes, now the color has been changed and all the margins, I have set the margin 0, so there is no difference remaining. If I do not set it 0, let it blank and remove it, so see the difference. Here is a padding as something distance between the content and the border, so that's why I set margin 0 to set my this. Yes, now now let's set the background color. Because if your designer app give you background images or not, so it's depend on, because I am using a background image in the background to set it. So you can use any image do you want. Just Google it and find the image that you want, and for this reason okay, for this reason so let's copy the images. I have the images and that we are using it. You can use any image that you want. Now let's create our images directory in admin CSS. New directory, image, and image. I am here in my admin CSS image, and now I have copied all these images, bg login dot and iok, and these are two images that I will use in this sector in this login system. So background, color will be F3 and URL image, find it, it is in admin images and bg dog, this one the images, and top will be center. Okay, save it, go to your browser, refresh it. Yeah, here is the image. If I do not set top center, remain it blank, so see what's happened. Yes, it is fetch it to the left side, so set it top center. any image you set your in your background, set its property top center. Yes, it's clear now. Let's move forward. Body and font size. I will be font size. Yes, and it's no. Okay. Next, a link. Any link that we have only 2 links in our login form, so I'm setting linked property. Link text decoration none. Hover text decoration. I will explain it when I did it a complete CSS. I thoroughly explain what I am doing right now. Now just come to your main wrapper. Wrap margin top and bottom 0, left and right auto, and the width of our wrapper 400 pixels. I inspect element from this wrapper. Yes, you can see its width is 400 pixels and height is 57, and it's now in center. Okay. The other ID was our ID content div in wrapper. Margin 120 pixel, top 0 to right, 10 pixel to bottom, and 0 to left. So you can see it. I set the property of content 120 pixel from top. This is from top in yellow screen, in yellow shaded on top, and 0 pixel from left because I already set the 400 pixel of width of that, and 10 pixels from right. So, under wrapper we have a content div, and content div, in that div we have main, actual main. Now both properties have been set. Moving forward to our content under div main. Yes, the actual div where we are. I'm sure, let me show where this is. Yes, the actual div, this is the main div, and this is the subsequent div full width. It's all, this is our function in that div. Actual working are in that div. I'm pointing to this div. So sorry. Left, I think it may right. Any content from that will be floating to right side, and any content under this margin will be 0 top, 0 right, bottom 12 pixel, and left 0 pixel. Pixel. Obviously width will be same as we have set it, 400 pixel. Now let's see what new change has been. Little bit slide to left side because we set the main property of float to right, so content has been moved forward to right side something. It will be set when the complete CSS I have done, so all the things will be settled down. Now move forward to full width. Our last div full, we have set our class full width. Under main div, id main class full width, because this is the full width where all the content are. Width, and background of that div will be background. Background will be F. Yes. Background border 1 pixel, solid, and its color DC. Exactly. Now check it. Yeah. Background color this one, and border, this is the border, and border color DC, and the final, this is the actual that what we want to create, and this is its border, and the whole width of their full width, and we are here just setting the width and border. Okay. Border radius means I will tell you later. Border radius 5 pixel. We set yes. If I zoom it, I think this is the border radius, this one. If I change it to increase the border radius, you can see the change. Yeah, this one become a round, little bit around. So keep to 5, set it to 5 pixel border radius, and color of the content in that div will be number sign 84848484. Margin of that content 0 from top, 0 from right, 5 pixel from bottom, and 0 from left. Yes. Okay. Now move forward to next form, and sign commenting for my ease will be main farm under main. Just setting its margin property and padding property are very confusing and very easy. Learn if your concept is clear about padding and margin, because you will be successful in CSS and HTML. Because they are very confusing, most probably the margin. Most people are confused about margin, what margin property is. So you should be very clear of it. Margin all, I'm talking about now farm. The margin of farm from its border. Which border? The border of the subsequent div of main border of main. So I'm setting it 15 pixel, top, right, bottom, left, all are 15 pixel away from the border of main. That's it. So this is not yet showing it. When I set it the padding, I think so it will be displayed. Yes. If I'm what's here. Full width. Under main and farm. Okay. And move forward. Work on label. The label means this one, this label and this label, obviously the input field. Main farm label color 575757. Display block, font size 5 pixel, font weight bold and margin 0 0 5 pixel and 0 padding 0 from top, 0 from right, 0 from left and 3 pixel from left. Save it and refresh it. Now see it. This one. Let's set the labels. Now labels are set. Okay, I'm stopping it now, and will carry it in my next lecture. So please do subscribe my channel onlinerana. And my website onlinerana.com, and please do comments what do you like, and if you want any improvement, and please let me know. So thank you.